Today, we are exploring all the coolest AI tools for 3D modeling, texturing, animation, HDRI creation for 3D avatars, and AI 3D model libraries. Basically, all the stuff you need to bring your ideas to life from start to finish. And by the way, I'm Victoria, and this is my creative lab where I share insights on the latest creative innovative tools and ideas. Let's begin with the AI tools that generate 3D models from text to images, making it easier than ever to bring ideas to life. Trellis 3D, Microsoft's AI-powered tool that converts images into a high-quality 3D model in minutes. You just need one image to generate 3D model. They also added an experimental feature, multi-image generation. It's perfect for game developers, 3D artists, and designers looking to speed up their workflow. Unlike basic 3D model generators, Trellis AI texture generation analyzes the input image and applies realistic textures. So you get a model that is not only shaped correctly but also visually accurate. User-friendly, no 3D experience needed. Ideal for rapid prototyping and concept art. Rodin is an amazing AI-powered 3D asset generator that is gaining popularity among artists. Just look at the huge community assets. It creates game-ready models with optimized low poly and high poly outputs, offering extensive customization options with a Pro account. This platform provides not only image to 3D generation that we are going to try now with this Splash alien, but also text to 3D and the option of multiple image generation with variations, plus multi-view and fusion with different outputs that are even more mind-blowing. Additionally, some settings make a final outcome so close to desired result, so you can open Mesh Editor and adjust the mesh a bit for further material generation, make the model TA pose, add more details, make the model symmetric, make smooth or sharp edges, and so many other tools to get your ideal 3D model. Mesh AI. Mesh AI is one of the most popular AI-driven 3D model generator. It allows users to create detailed 3D models from text prompts and images, and this tool does a pretty good job. Moreover, you can edit the texture, correct part of the texture, erase or repair. This tool is like an all-in-one text to 3D, images to 3D, text to texture, and you can animate characters. Plus, this tool has a huge community and its own massive 3D library. Hunyuan 3D is an advanced open-source tool developed by Tencent for generating high-resolution 3D assets from text and image inputs. It uses deep learning to generate detailed, optimized 3D assets from text prompts or reference images that you find, for example, on the internet. It's great for both organic and mechanical objects, offering precise mesh structures, optimized topology, and even material suggestions. This is a free tool with the premium features, and I advise you to always check the license for any tools, as there may be restrictions depending on usage or region. Anything World. Alright, let's talk about Anything World, a platform that doesn't just generate 3D models, but offers the whole flow: text or image to 3D, rig, and animation. Imagine typing a running cartoon fox. Instead of getting a static 3D model, you get a fully animated, game-ready character, ready to move and interact right away. And this applies not only to person-like characters, but also to animals and insects. No manual rigging, no tedious animation work, just instant, dynamic assets that can be dropped into a game engine or virtual worlds in seconds. Next, let's discuss AI tools for generating high-quality textures. Sometimes it's hard to find a perfect texture, but now you can create one. Scenario generates custom, seamless texture with AI, making it perfect for stylized and photorealistic texture needs. You can configure metalness, roughness, and other visual rendering and environment properties for the texture. Polycam AI Texture Generator, a great tool for creating seamless, high-quality textures for 3D assets and environments. A nice option is that you can create a style from your own reference image. Choose a resolution and get 4 options that you can regenerate. Mesh AI also offers a powerful AI texturing tool. Simply upload your 3D file, write a detailed prompt, and get high-quality texture in return. If there is anything you are not satisfied with, or you'd like to adjust, use the texture editing features. To clean up existing texture, try Smart Healing. It works great, love this feature. Once you've got your 3D models, you'll need animation for some of them. Here are some great AI tools to help you animate 3D characters. First up is Deep Motion, also known as Say Motion. This tool is known for its high-quality realistic motion capture. So to start, just capture video yourself on any device or find a video online. It supports full body tracking and even includes face and hand tracking in beta. You can also preview your animations in real time and easily integrate them into game engines like Unity or Unreal. But what is more impressive is that they release text to 3D animation. Type in a text prompt, select a character and see your motions come to life. Quick Magic AI focuses on simplicity and speed. It's a browser-based tool, so there is no need to install anything. You just upload a video and the tool generates motion data within minutes. It's especially useful for quick tests or concept development. The platform's AI analyzes the video, detecting and tracking the motion to convert it into 3D skeleton animation data. Once processed, download the 3D animation in different formats. You can then import this into your preferred 3D software, such as Blender and others. Flask AI is also a motion capture and animation platform that transforms video footage into 3D character animation in real time. With its AI-powered motion tracking, you can upload a video, extract movements data, and apply it to 3D models instantly. The platform also offers a browser-based editor, allowing you to refine animations, target motion, and export files to use in Blender, Unreal Engine, or other 3D software. Similar to Flask AI, Kinetic AI is a no-code platform that transforms videos into 3D animations using AI-powered motion capture. They provide automated rigging and skinning, and an exciting feature, you can create unique animations by describing movements, and generative AI creates it for you. It also offers a vast library of ready-to-use animations and seamless integration with popular 3D software like Unity and Unreal Engine, and Snap AR Lens Studio, which is great if you are building interactive experience or AR content. And what if you need a 3D avatar? These AI tools will help you create the realistic and stylized 3D characters. Let's start with my favorite one. You might have seen it in some of my previous videos. Avatar is an AI-powered platform that allows users to create realistic 3D avatars from a simple selfie. It offers a wide range of customization options, including body type, hairstyle, clothing, and accessories. The tool is also compatible with popular platforms like Unity, Unreal Engine, Blender, and VTubing software, making it a practical choice for gaming, AR/VR, and metaverse projects. What makes Avatar stand out is its balance between ease of use and the quality of the final output. The avatars it creates are detailed, well-rigged, and suitable for both casual and professional use. Hyper 3D Chat Avatar is an AI-powered tool that converts a single image or text prompts into a detailed, animatable 3D facial avatar. After uploading a clear portrait, bright lighting, minimal shadow, users can generate a 3D model and download a complete avatar package, which includes eyes, teeth, and a fully rigged body. Ready for use in tools like Unity, Unreal Engine, Blender, or Maya. This makes it a practical option for creators looking to integrate custom avatars into games, virtual environments, or animation workflows. Meshcapade is an advanced AI-powered tool for creating ultra-realistic 3D avatars with precision, body modeling, and motion capture. It offers a range of cutting-edge features, including motion from text, generate realistic character animation just by describing action, in words. Motion from video. Extract the motion data from video clips and apply it to your 3D avatars for lifelike movements. Body shapes from image. Create accurate digital human models by analyzing a single photo. Physics-based clothing and animation. Simulate realistic body dynamics, clothing, and interactions. And the last but not least, the seamless integration. Use the avatars in VR, AR, gaming, and metaverse applications. If you'd rather use pre-made AI-generated models, check out these platforms. HDRI, a massive library of AI-generated 3D assets for various creative projects. Mesh AI, yes, again and again, also offers a pre-made models library for quick access to assets. Rodin's AI model generation platform includes a growing library of high-quality 3D models. And last, Anything World, great for interactive 3D environments and game-ready assets. For those needing HDRI environments, check out these tools. Skybox AI and Scenario Skybox Generator, AI-powered tools that let you generate immersive 360 spaces and massive 8K resolution with just a text prompt. Instantly create stunning 360 HDRI backgrounds to enhance your 3D renderings, perfect for VR, AR, and game development. Both tools have similar functionality, but Skybox AI also allows you to remix your own 360 images, transforming them into creative AI-generated skyboxes. And that's it for today's roundup of AI-powered 3D creation tools. In future videos, I'll dive deeper into specific categories, showing detailed workflows and tips. Let me know in the comments which category you would like me to explore further, or which tool are you most excited to try. See you and have a wonderful creative day!